Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known what is Bootstrap. In our previous lecture also we have known about introduction to Bootstrap, whereas in more detail about exactly what is Bootstrap. Let's begin. Bootstrap 4 is the newest version of Bootstrap. This framework is to apply for developing responsive of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on mobile-first websites. Bootstrap 4 is completely free to download and use. So-called it is open source. Integrating this framework to your web project is very easy and free to use. Two ways to integrate to your project. One is package manager, or you need to download the source files from the Bootstrap and make it as a functional like a directory separately creating in your project called Bootstrap. There you have to place all these downloaded files, and accordingly you have to specify a link how we have given for like integrating CSS external files and JavaScript files. The same way we have to given a part of this file. To integrate how you handle and see the CSS style sheet file paths, like same way you can copy the link of Bootstrap style sheet and paste within head tag. Once added, it loads default style sheets and you can avail by calling this like a default Bootstrap functionality and the predefined libraries for the styles and the popovers, shades, many things, many wonders like beautification. You can do your HTML forms with the lightweight. Don't forget about it. In Bootstrap, most of the components require to use JavaScript to function it. Specifically, they require jQuery and Bootstrap own plugin. These all scripts you need to place on a script tag before closing the body tag. I hope you are familiar what is Bootstrap and how to use. We'll jump start to like initiate how to use and how to interact with these Bootstrap libraries and having many components or get ready to discuss. Let's start the session. Thank you.